a 80 grit sandpaper on a 3mm disc pad. So I'm going to use the 80 grit sandpaper to remove this heavy curb rash. There will be some minute dirt between the ridges, which is hard to get, but you can use a wire brush on a drill bit to get them off. So this is how the wheels look after using 80 grit sandpaper and the wire brush on the curb rash. Next, spray the wheels with isopropyl alcohol and clean it thoroughly. In the next step, we'll be preparing the aluminum filler. So apply it on a non-porous material like a plastic cover and then mix it with the hardener. Don't use a cardboard as that would absorb the material. You can apply the filler with your fingers as well, and that would be much more easier. Try not to get it on the tires. Next, you can sand down the aluminum filler with the 180 grit sandpaper. So this is how the wheels look like after sanding it down with the 180 grit sandpaper.
It's not a game, it's a rashed.
Next, we'll be sanding down the entire wheel with 320 grit sandpaper. So this is how the wheels look like after 320 grit sanding. So first air blow the sanding dust and then clean the entire wheel with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure that you warm the spray paint can under warm water, or you can use also a hot air gun. So I used a hot air gun for 1 to 2 minutes to warm up the spray paint can. So this prevents orange peel on your paint. Also the first 2 coats can be light and you can go heavy on the last final coats. Allow 15 minutes dry time between each coat. Now if dirt falls onto the painted surface, don't worry about it, just wait for the paint to dry and then you use some masking tape to lift the dirt. In case you mess up in this step, don't worry about it. You can sand it down with 1000 grit sandpaper and then repaint it lightly. Sand down the entire wheel with 800 grit sandpaper or 600 grit sandpaper. I got the color match from my local automotive paint store. So now we're going to apply the base coat. I'm going to apply 3 layers of the base coat with 15 minutes dry time in between each coat. If you guys notice carefully, you can see a small overspray spot here. It bubbled up and I did a mistake of trying to remove it while the paint was wet, which was not good. Guys, don't do the same mistake I did. Just wait for 15 minutes till the paint dries and then sand it down with 1000 grit sandpaper and then lightly spray over it and you won't see that spot. Now the final step is applying 3 layers of the clear coat. Now this again is similar to how we applied the base coat with 15 minutes dry time between each coat.